Ginoo, salamat for giving me this man, so loving, so caring. Lord, give him more strength. Protect him, lead him. Be his all, for there will be time he is weak. He needs you. Let your supply magapuno sa iyang kinabuhi. Makahigugma siya namo. For you loved him, God. Cause naay tay mapakyas me to show him nga gihigugma namo siya. But you never fail. Ang kalipay sa akong kasing-kasing every single day nga akong makita the way he loves and cares for us, nga nakaingon ko, thank you, Lord, for giving me this blessing.